Hello and welcome to race 4 here at Phoenix. And here today is another racing day, and we'll see if there will become a two-time winner this year, since we've had 3 winners, but none of them have been two-time winners yet. We've had 2 Chevrolets and a Ford win so far. Yet to see a Toyota win, but will we here today? We will find out. So let's get to the starting lineup for Group A. In row number 1 is Chase Elliott and Daniel Hemrick, the winner at Atlanta. Then it's Austin Dillon and his teammate Kyle Busch. Then in row number 2 is Brad Keselowski, Josh Berry, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. and Martin Truex Jr. And then in row number 3 is Kaz Grala and Carson Hocevar. Kaz Grala is back here today. So yeah, here we go. We're underway here in Phoenix. Oh no, and there's a crash. And it's Brad Keselowski. And that is not what Chase Elliott wanted to see. Chase Elliott will have a terrible race here today, which will definitely bump him down in the point standings. Not a good race either for Daniel Hemrick, but luckily he's advanced. But those points really do matter, because if there's more than 16 winners, which there's a very good possibility, then it'll move him down in the points. And Harvick is 7th. 6th is Carson Hocevar. No, actually, 6th is Austin Dillon. 5th is Carson Hocevar. 4th is Kaz Grala. Where the heck is everyone? Trying to find out. Oh, never mind. 3rd is Kaz Grala. 2nd is Kyle Busch. And 1st is Martin Truex Jr. Just making sure I didn't miscount here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So that we're missing 1. Let's see. Technical difficulties here. Oh, we found him. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. He was ahead, so he will get 2nd. Kyle Busch will get 3rd. And Martin Truex Jr. will advance. Sorry about that, guys. It's never happened before in the ramp racing history, but now we'll add that to the list of things that has happened in ramp racing. And let's take a look at your starting lineup here for Group B. And here in row number 1 is Tyler Reddick, Todd Gilliland, Ryan Preece, and Zane Smith. Then in row number 2 is AJ Allmendinger, Chase Briscoe, Eric Almirola, and Denny Hamlin. No, not Eric Almirola, Noah Gragson and Denny Hamlin. Then in row number 3 is Riley Herbst and Ryan Blaney. We're underway here in Group B. And will Blaney make it across the line? No, he will not. Ryan Blaney does not make it across the line. But he will finish 10th anyway, so it doesn't matter. Ryan Preece will come in 9th. 8th is Denny Hamlin. 7th, Jay Allmendinger. 6th is Riley Herbst. 5th is Zane Smith. No, 5th is Zane Smith. 4th is Noah Gragson. 3rd is Todd Gilliland. 2nd is Tyler Reddick, and 1st is Chase Briscoe. A couple races ago, Chase Briscoe had 5 points, which was worst, and Tyler Reddick had 12. But now they're the 2 drivers that will advance. And now, here we go for Group C. Let's take a look at your starting lineup. In row number 1 is William Byron, Chris Buescher, Ross Chastain, and Bubba Wallace. Runner number 2 is Shane Van Gisbergen, Ty Gibbs, Harrison Burton, and Christopher Bell. And then runner number 3 is Daniel Suarez and Michael McDowell. We're underway here in Group C. And I thought there was a crash, but no, there is not. Michael McDowell will have a terrible finish here today. Wow, that'll really impact the points. Michael McDowell was in first, and he had a 9-point lead over second place Kyle Larson. Wow, that's really going to hurt his points. Wow, I cannot believe it. Daniel Suarez, he won last week. He will have a terrible race. Drivers who are up in the top of the standings having terrible races here today. Let's see what that'll do to the points. William Byron will come in 8th. 7th is Shane Van Gisbergen. 6th is Harrison Burton. Sorry, I dropped the car. 5th is Christopher Bell. 4th is Chris Buescher. 3rd is Ross Chastain. 2nd is Bubba Wallace. And 1st is Ty Gibbs. So far, we haven't had a Toyota winner, but we have 1 Chevrolet, 1 Ford, and 4 Toyotas in the final round. So I'm pretty sure there's a big chance of a Toyota winning here. And with another Toyota and Sheldon Creed being in this group. And let's see. Yeah, that's it. Just 1 Toyota in this group. We'll see. And row number 1 is John Hunter Nemechek, Sheldon Creed, Joey Logano, and Alex Bowman. Row number 2 is Jimmy Johnson, Corey LaJoie, Austin Cindric, and Kyle Larson. And then row number 3 is Eric Jones. We're underway here in Group D. And did Austin Cindric make it? Yes, he did. Corey LaJoie goes up and over. LaJoie will finish 9th. 8th is going to be Austin Cindric. 7th is Alex Bowman. 6th is Kyle Larson, who was 2nd in points, so 6th is not a good result for him. 5th, we had all 3 Legacy Motor Club cars in this group. 5th is Jimmy Johnson. 4th is John Hunter Nemechek. 3rd is Eric Jones. 2nd is Joey Logano. And 1st is Sheldon Creed. Sheldon Creed will be the 5th Toyota to make it to the final round. Wow. Toyota without a single win yet this season in the 4th race. And now they have 5 cars in the final round. Let's take a look at your final round starting lineup. And row number 1 is Martin Truex Jr., Chase Briscoe, Ty Gibbs, and Sheldon Creed. Row number 2 is Ricky Stenhouse Jr., the only Chevy in this group. Kurt Busch. No, not Kurt Busch. Keep getting so confused because I keep putting cars in different spots. Like different cars. I keep reusing them from last year. And Bubba Wallace. And Joey Logano. So the 45 is Tyler Reddick, not Kurt Busch. But anyways, we're underway for 2 laps to see who's going to win. And let's see here. Sheldon Creed was up on this thing, but it still counts. Briscoe will be 8th. Then 7th is Sheldon Creed. 6th is Joey Logano. 5th is Tyler Reddick. 4th is Ty Gibbs. 3rd is Ricky Stenhouse. Let's see. Bubba Wallace. 2nd and 1st is Martin Truex Jr. So here's something to learn here. Bubba Wallace has had an average finish of 38th. 38th. And he is in second right now. Has a very, very good possibility of winning with an average finishing position of 38th. And there's only 39 cars. And here we are for the final lap here in Phoenix. Who's going to win? Martin Truex Jr., Bubba Wallace, Ricky Stenhouse Jr., and Ty Gibbs, row number 1. Row number 2 is Tyler Reddick, Joey Logano, Sheldon Creed, and Chase Briscoe. We're underway here in the final round group. Oh no! There's a crash! And it's Ty Gibbs! Ty Gibbs will crash. He will finish 8th. 7th is Tyler Reddick. 6th is Joey Logano. 5th is Chase Briscoe. 4th is Sheldon Creed. 3rd is Bubba Wallace. 2nd is Ricky Stenhouse Jr. and Martin Truex Jr. Your Season 2 champion will go back to victory lane. He's going to win at Phoenix. Martin Truex Jr. will put Toyota in victory lane. He will win at Phoenix. And he needed a really good finish since the Season 2 champion was not in the top 16 before this race. And now he will be with a win here today. Martin Truex Jr. is going to put his 19 Auto Owners Insurance Toyota into victory lane. He will win here today. Then it's Ricky Stenhouse Jr. The only Chevrolet in this group will come in 2nd. And then Bubba Wallace, who has an average finishing position of 38, will win here today. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in race 5. Goodbye.